Hey guys, Handy Hint Friday. So I'm actually working through the wardrobes of a couple of clients, and a lot of people have those fabulous red bottoms. And in order to keep your red bottoms really red without you having them all scratched up at the sole of the foot, is you can actually get them resoled. Your shoemaker should be able to sole them with red non-slip rubber. And if you don't want to do that, there is this fabulous product that I've listed below called it's by a company called Angelus, and it's called Walk On Red. And it's actually just a paint that you just put onto the bottom of the soles of your shoes. And what's really interesting is that it just kind of like gives a shiny little finish to the bottom of your red bottoms. And then, you know what's really interesting also is that you can get clear tabs, you know, like little clear sheets of paper. And that's something that's known in the fashion industry because when you don't necessarily want to scratch up the soles of your shoes, you put a clear, like a silicone cover on the soles of your feet. And they're not slippery or anything like that, but it actually protects the red. So if you want to keep your red bottoms red, there are little places and things that you can do to kind of keep them red and in good condition. Anyway, I'll list all of this at the bottom, but that's the Handy Hint Friday because I'm seeing a lot of scratched up red bottoms, and ooh, some people have actually resoled them with black. Ooh, what's the point of having a red bottom with a black sole? Anyway, I'll see you on the next one, okay? Take care. Bye. Have a great weekend.